PayBoy, Robin Rayleigh, alright. No stress today, I'm feeling good, feeling okay, just rolling through my hood. Sunshine in my way, just like it should. I'm riding clean, just rolling through my hood.
Woke up at 8 o'clock and threw on some clothes. In the kitchen, mama left a hot plate on the stove. It was sausage with them grits and some biscuit rolls. And the eggs and the bacon taste so good on my soul. Then I strolled to the front door, grin on my face, cause I knew it was finna be a marvelous day. Went outside, got blinded by the sun, it's so bright. Recover quick, cause them girls jogging with them pants tight. Hopped in the car cause it was time to ride. Turned the key, shocked to see that it started on the first try. Now I'm laid back, cruising the block. Got my system so loud that it's moving the block. Lil' Curtis at the corner store, threw him the deuce. I had to cop me a pint of that papaya juice. And the clerk said BET Awards, it's all man. Cruising through the breezeway, I had to say, hey.
No stress today, I'm feeling good, feeling okay, just rolling through my hood. Sunshine in my way, just like it should. I'm riding clean, just rolling through my hood. No stress today, feeling good, feeling okay, just rolling through my hood. Sunshine in my way, just like it should. I'm riding clean, just rolling through my hood.
First of the month's a celebration in my hood. Work some overtime so my check is all good. Cash it at the liquor store, fit for the hen. A hypnotic, some exotic, yeah, I'm at it again. Now I'm headed to the car wash, trying to get clean. Junkie got me so right, such a beautiful gleam. Girls jockeying on my rim, such a wonderful scene. Nice chick, prices whip, makes a top-notch team. Then I spotted me some shawties on the way to the mall. Then try to holler, just told them Mr. Major throwing a party, y'all. They said it's cool and they'll be in the place. VIP is where I'll be, but I'll be fashionably late. Now I'm headed to the mall, trying to catch some fly. Then I spot an outfit that caught my eye. Yeah, I frowned when the clerk, she told me the price. My credit shopper swiped the Visa and it'll be alright.
No stress today, I'm feeling good,